Good evening to you all from Ghana. It is 4:18 p.m. August 20th, 2021, and I'm doing this recording to throw more lights onto Excel, the most powerful tool around our time. Now, one of the most fascinating things I want us to do today is to create an automated invoice. Can you imagine? You have an institution, let's say a school, and you have a bookshop, learners trooping, especially when school resume fresh, and you'll be buying a whole chunk of books, and sometimes the calculation and adding values, you might get it wrong. So we are going to learn how to make such invoice. Quickly, I'll click on Excel, then I'll select blank worksheet. Now the first thing we need to do is to enter the list of items that will be in our store or shop. So quickly, let's create here item. Now I'm going to tell you something. Over here, the first item we enter nothing, but we go into the next one, then we enter mathematical sets, drawing board, sketch pad, pencil, pen, exercise book, notes book. What else? Brush, poster color. What else? I think that is all for now. Then beside them, we should have a unit price. So we enter a unit price. So the unit price for this, the blank, will be 0. For that of mathematical set, 8 cedis, drawing board, 45 cedis, sketchbook, 5 cedis, pencil, 1 cedi, pen. So let's change this to pen, not pencil, pencil. So this is pen. So pen is 50 pesos. Pen will rather be 1 cedi than pencil, maybe 1 cedi, 50 pesos. Then we'll have exercise book to be 2 cedis, notebook 8 cedis, brush 5 cedis, poster color, let's say 8 cedis, right? The mathematical set, let's say, is 8 cedis, 50 pesos, right? And our currency it is 0.000. So let's make this, select all this and click this, right? Good. Then another one. Good. So we are good to go. Then we want this to be sorted alphabetically. So we'll select the items and come to up here. We have clipboard, right? We have fonts where we have bold, italics, underline. We have alignments. We have also number here. We have star. We have cell. Then we move to edit where we have sort and filter with A and Z below the A with a funnel beside it. So we click on that, right? Then we select sort A to Z. Watch carefully what will happen at this place that we have highlighted. Sort A to Z. sorts. Ha! It sorts and also sorts the price beside it to the corresponding number. Good. So what we will do next is we are ready to move this to the next level. We are now good to create the invoice. So we'll have over here invoice, then below it name of whoever it's being prepared for. Then we will align, we will image this. So we'll click on alignments, center, image center. There's a small button here. We'll select that one and click on image cells. Good. Then what we'll do next is below it we'll have this cells imaged. You can make it as long as whatever you want because it will contain the items you want to be automated. Good. So we select here the alignment image center, the drop arrow, go to image across. You see what happened? Good. Then at the topmost right items. Then beside it we'll have the unit price. Then we'll have quantity here. Then beside this also we will have selling what total selling what price. Good. Now I realize the cell sum are too small, so we enlarge it slightly. Enlarge this also slightly. Good. We are ready to go. Now we want to set a validation in the next cell that I've just selected. How do we do that? A validation that will show a drop list for this items here. Okay, for this items here. So what we will quickly do is this. We will go to data up here. We have file, home, insert, and what have you. So we'll select data, and we'll select the validation. There's a small arrow beside it. We select it, data validation. We'll change the any value to list. So what we actually do, we click in the source. You realize it's not blinking, so we just click in it. Cursor begins to blink, and select the items here to it, and just click OK. Now see, a button appears here. It shows the list of items that we selected, but there's a small error, so we have to go back and look at the validation again. Good. Right, we need to add the empty box, right? So it's now okay. So let's do it again. This is it. We deleted everything. Now this must also be part. Good. So it's now good to go. Let's look at it again. You see the empty space is now part. So we just click on the empty. But we can select any of the items in it. So we can select first and foremost brush, right? But we don't see the unit price showing automatically. We want it to show up automatically. So what are we going to do? We will condition this with an if formula, right? So stay blue and watch out for my next episode where I will teach you how to condition this place with a formula, and here also we'll do some few stuff that it will be 100% automated.